मेरी परमिशन से किसी को भी अलाउ कर सकता हूं और मेरी बिना परमिशन के कोई नहीं बोला है.
See, sir, Speaker sir, NEET students spend years and years preparing for their exam. Their family supports them financially, emotionally. And the truth is that NEET students today do not believe in the exam. Because they are convinced that the exam is designed for rich people, not meritorious people. I have met a number of NEET students, every single one of them tells me that the exam is designed to create a quota for rich people and to create a passage for them into the system, and is designed not to help poor students. Now, इससे भी बहुत डर होता है. महीनों पढ़ाई करते हैं, ये पता नहीं कि भैया एग्जाम लीक हो जाएगा नहीं होगा, अगर पास भी हो गए तो पैसा कहां से आएगा. तो उधर भी इन लोगों ने भय डालने का काम किया. तो जहां भी ये देखते हैं ये भय डालते हैं. सेना में, युवाओं में, किसानों में, मजदूरों में, महिलाओं में, डिसेबल्ड में भी. और मैं ये भी कह सकता हूं कि सिर्फ बाकी हिंदुस्तान में भी नहीं, मगर अपनी पार्टी में भी भय है. आपकी पार्टी में डर है, भय है, सच्चाई है. देखो अब आप चिल्ला नहीं रहे हो, अब आप शांत हो, अब बिल्कुल शांत हो. सच्चाई बोल दी, चिल्ला नहीं रहे, चुप. क्योंकि आपकी ट्यूनिंग डायरेक्टली प्रॉब्लम क्या है, आप चिल्ला भी नहीं सकते क्योंकि कनेक्शन नहीं. सर मैं बोल रहा हूं, सर समझा रहा हूं, स्ट्रक्चर बोल रहा हूं. सर लोकतंत्र में पार्टी में डेमोक्रेसी होनी चाहिए. कोई भी इन पार्टियों में कोई भी आके कुछ भी कह देता है. ग्रुप ऑफ 22, 23, 24, 25 सब जो बोलना है बोल देते हैं, मगर आपकी पार्टी में भय है. सत्यमेव जयते, ना डरो ना डराओ. सर, when I became LOP, I realized something that I had not realized before. And it's also on the lines of the principles of Shiva. It's on those same lines. And the idea was that after becoming LOP, all my personal dreams, my personal aspirations, my personal fears have to be put aside. I am now actually two people. I'm not one person. I'm a constitutional person, and my job is to be leader of the opposition, to represent all these parties equally. In fact, I don't just represent the Congress party, I represent every single party. And I have to treat every single party with love and affection. So when Hemant Soren ji is in jail or Kejriwal is in jail, it should disturb me, it should hurt me. Yes. When you unleash your agencies on these political people, it is our job to defend them. Because there is a constitutional person and an individual. And what Shivji is saying is that when you are a constitutional person, the individual should die. The individual's aspirations, the individual's dreams should die. And you should become the voice of the people. Yes. Meaning that you should have no fantasies, no dreams, nothing. The perfect public representative is one who is actually dead. That is what Shivji is saying. You understand? Now, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, now, my advice So there are two structures now. One is me as an individual, and one is me as leader of the opposition. Me as an individual, I might have my likes and dislikes, I might have my views, but me as leader of opposition have to suppress them, have to reduce them and say, now I'm the voice of the opposition. That is the idea of the democratic system. The people have given me a responsibility, and that responsibility should overcome my personal likes, dislikes, aspirations.